You can call us Autobots for short.
Medical Officer Ratchet.
The boy's pheromone level suggests he wants to mate with the female. His vocal processes were damaged in battle. I'm still working on him. Cons, find the Allspark. They will use its power to transform Earth's machines and build a new army.
And the human race will be extinguished. Sam Witwicky, you hold the key to Earth's survival.
It's gonna rust.
All right. Whoa. Oh, okay. Shh. Shut up, Pickle. This isn't hiding. This is my backyard, not a truck stop.
Move! Get away. What's the matter with you? Can't you be quiet? He wants us to be quiet.
Wow, that was tingly. Oh, gotta try that.
Yeah, that looks fun.
So we got a major issue here. What's with the light? You gotta stop the light. What's it up? Shut it off. You gotta tell him to shut it off.
Oh, parents.
Oh, no.
Judy, better call the city. We got a blown transformer. Power poles sparking all over the place. Oh, man. Yeah, that's a waste. For what? Oh, yeah.
The parents are very irritating.
Yeah.
Can I take them out? Well, I'm just saying we could. It's an option.
Autobots, relieve them of their weapons. Freeze! Give me it! Optimus, incoming! Roll out!
Hang back. Let me check it out. Fire it up, Optimus.
The code. The code on these glasses indicates the...
I sense the Decepticons are getting ready to mobilize.
You can't just leave him to die.
Bumblebee is a brave soldier. This is what he would want.
Why are we fighting to save the human?
That's suicide. The cube is raw power. It could destroy you both.
Autobots, roll out!
We roll.
This is like Radio Shack dinosaur radios or something, man.
Are there any air?
Pop smoke!
Green smoke is the mark. Provide air cover and vector Blackhawks for extraction.
Please tell me you got
Back up! Take cover! Bumblebee!
It's Megatron, retreat! Move! Fall back!
Sam, we will protect you. Get to the building. Move! Cover fire! Keep moving, Sam. Don't stop! Sam, get to the building! Oh, Jazz. We lost a great comrade, but gained new ones. Thank you, all of you. You honor us with your bravery. Permission granted, old friend.
You speak now?
If that is his choice. We live among its people now, hiding in plain sight, but watching over them in secret. Waiting, protecting. I have witnessed their capacity for courage.
And this area serves as the Autobots' hangar.
I understand they arrived here after you sent a message into space.
Autobots attack!
What is the meaning of this?
Drop your weapons! Drop your weapons!
The secret is out. This is our war.
This fool is terribly misinformed.
There's no negotiating with them.
Ironhide, we should leave this planet.
That's not what Optimus would want.
All right, we're gonna drop fire from the left flank. I need a scout team.
I'm leading.
Go up through the... Sam! Spotted Sam!
Get up, Prime!
Start on the machine! You gotta stop him! Get out!
Fulfill your destiny.
Jolt! Electrify! Transplant those afterburners!
He's now long road, and all the while we searched.
General Counsel with Ukrainian Department of Energy. My government will officially deny.
Mr. Voshkan.
All arriving Autobots. MTAR training and debriefing in 15 minutes. Dino. Sideswipe bait.
Perfect invention, Ironhide. Right. Oh, good.
It was carrying an Autobot technology which would have won us the war. And its captain of the Autobots before me. It's imperative that I find... Ratchet, let's roll.
His levels are faint. He locked himself away to guard the pillars.
Humans. I thought their war was with the Autobots.
Safe. There's nothing to fear.
We are here. You are home, Sentinel.
My ship. We came under fire. The pillars. Where are the pillars?
Optimus?
What your leaders say is true. Make it short. We're loading up.
All right, hustle up. We're low.
They're surrounding the city to make a fortress, so that no one can see what they're up to inside. Our only chance is the element of surprise.
trying to help out.
In any war, you fought bravely. There will be days when we lose faith. Days when...
Got a heat sink. Second stack.
No!
Danger close.
He's on the run! He's on the run!
No! Please! Hold your fire! Oh! Hold fire! I cannot see, I've been injured! Medical Officer Ratchet! I'm a friend! I'm an Autobot! Optimus sent this distress message.
Calling all Autobots. We are under targeted attack. Cease all contact with humans.
We're all hiding. All Autobots are being hunted. We're all in debt.
You no sympathy for me.
What's wrong with you humans? No! Please! Lockdown.
Autobots, Decepticons.
Never.
Never is here.
They're melting Ratchet. No. That's an Autobot there.